Hey, good day everybody and welcome to No Risk No Farm. This is part 2 of our garden preparation, and last time we stopped when we took down this tree. Yeah, it's not completely true. The tree was down already since the winter season of 2022. The tree fell down and destroyed our power line here, so we had to deal with that, but so far we didn't have time to clean it up here. The main reason why we made such a complicated process here, or dealt with it in this way, is to save this apple tree. See, when this maple fell on here, it was kind of hanging in the trees over there, and some branches were kind of over this tree. We took those branches down before already, and now, yeah, we had limited access to the rest of the tree, so we had to figure out a way how to do it. So look at this beautiful apple tree. I'm looking forward already for the harvest. The apples are pretty sweet, mid-size, and yeah, they taste very, very good. Okay, so the first task today will be to chop down the branches and cut the main trunk to length for the sawmill, and then clean up all this stuff here. Some of you might recognize this little tool here, this measuring tool for cutting rounds. Look what happened here. So here was a little set screw that always came loose, I think through the vibration of the chainsaw, and I tried to tighten it a couple of times, and yeah, eventually I lost the set screw, so it's gone. I have to figure out a different way to attach the base to the rod. So for now, the farmer fix will do. Okay, first, oh, before I forget, you see my new chaps? I talked about it a couple of videos ago that I was going to pick up some, so I did yesterday. Yeah, this will be a little protection when working with a chainsaw, and I hope, yeah, it will help us to stay safe. Okay, first we will cut the little pieces here, and then I will shorten the trunk, and then take out the big pieces and cut down all the remaining small stuff to firewood size. Okay, let's get to it. Right, now we will fire up the tractor and lift this trunk from the ground. Okay, I'm roughly cutting this to 10 feet. So because it's pretty bent, at least not completely straight, so I think if I can get a 10-foot board out of it, I'll be happy. right, now we'll quickly bring these guys to the firewood pile. This is pretty heavy. I don't know what I would do without a tractor here on the farm. It's so convenient to have them, or have it. Somehow my chainsaw started to cause trouble, and I'm not sure what's going on. I have a hard time to turn it on. I mean, no worries, I checked fuel and stuff, so that's all good, but I think the air filter might be dirty or too dirty. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, I'll clean it anyways, or just give it a little. One more thing to check is maybe the spark plug, just to make sure it looks okay. This is not the right tool here. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad, but I will go and get some sandpaper and clean it a little bit. Good thing is I'm working here on the yard, so I have all my stuff close by. I guess I will keep this little sandpaper piece in my tool bag for the chainsaw, in case I'm working in the woods and need some sandpaper there. Hope this helps. Otherwise I'm kind of stuck with my project today. Alright, let's give it a try. Nope. Sounds good to me. So far, I will call this a success. You guys look at these bees. They are hard at work, just like we. They're all over the tree. There. There. All right, you guys, we cleaned up the tree, at least the majority of it. As you can see, here is the root system. That's a big one. So I don't feel like it to deal with it today. I will leave it here and maybe do it a bit later. And there is some hidden treasures underneath it. As you can see, there is an old bathtub or anything. I don't know. Seems like our previous owners left us a little treasure here. So we have to clean that up as well. The rest of our evening we will be concentrating on this little patch here. It used to be a garden with the previous owners, but we never used it as a garden. Our plan is, though, to use it next year for bushes and shrubs like raspberries, blueberries, etc. And but as you can see, it's pretty overgrown and we have to clean it up now. Okay, let's get to it. These branches, they mostly came off of the tree that we just cleaned up, and we need to bring it away in the bush. So we will try to do it with the tractor. Not sure how well that works. Otherwise we'll use the trailer here. So yeah, that's our plan for this. Did I tell you already how happy I am to have a tractor? Imagine lifting up all these branches by hand. Oh my goodness, that would be a pain. So now we can just bring it in the woods and drop it there, and it will be a nice spot for wild rabbits or something. They can use it as a shelter. See, here we have first couple totes of firewood already. So this will be our spot for the branches, at least for today. There's all kinds of wood already stored for the rabbits. They will be happy to have this little spot here. Usually I don't like it when stuff is entangled, but in this case it was our advantage. We were able to bring away 2 loads with a tractor, and that worked pretty well. I mean, obviously it would be nicer to have some grapples on the tractor, but so I don't have that, so we have to do whatever we can. So we have just a little bit here of these branches. We will throw it on the trailer and bring it to the same pile, and then it can decompose there. You guys, I will be honest, I underestimated the work that was hidden in this project yet. I mean, it's getting dark on us now. We will not be able to finish today, so yeah, this is the rest what we picked up by hand here. And look at this garden patch. Look at how high the grass is here already. I think this not one single spot on the farm is that prolific. I mean, this garden is ready to be put to work. If we would have some goats or sheep, they would be happy to clean this up for us. But because we don't have goats and sheep, we will have to use our bad boy. Let's check it out. I think so far I didn't introduce you to our mighty lawnmower. This is a bad boy. 35 horsepower diesel, 72-inch deck. This is a beast, you guys. I mean, we need it here because we have quite a bit to chop, and yeah, it makes life much easier. Okay, let's quickly bring away the trailer and then start cutting this area. Okay, let's fire this thing up. Okay, for now I will have the deck all the way up. It says 5 inches, so I think we need that for the first round here. I will do a couple more rounds here, mowing on different heights, because I would like to have it nice and narrow before I start tilling, which will not happen today, that's for sure. Yeah, we will continue on this patch another day. See you in couple seconds. All right, you guys, we are back again at this garden plot, or garden plot to be, and last time I was mowing with our bad boy zero-turn mower here, and I pretty much sculpted it here completely. I went over it 4 times, and now it's yeah, I would say tillable. Before we dive into tilling and turning over everything here, we need to take down these 2 old garden beds here. Before we take apart this old bed, I would like to remove all this overgrowth here, and yeah, you can pretty much tell how 2 years of neglect look like. This is the result basically of not taking care of raised bed here. Yeah, the not sure how old this setup is here, but the prime time is for sure far behind it, and yeah, I'm wondering how much life is left in it. Probably not much. You'll see when we take it apart. Shouldn't be too much of a resistance there. The first one is cleaned, and now we're here the second one. Just wanted to mention this very handy tool here from Fiskars. It's very powerful. Whatever you can fit in here can be cut. Has good leverage. I like it. I cut lots of branches off of trees and stuff before taking out the chainsaw. This one is really handy. It has a little gear here, so it transfers the power a little bit easier. Very good. Okay, now this needs to go here. It was kind of a trellis system here. Not sure how this works here. I guess I'll just pull it out. There we go. Lots of stuff here. History of probably 20 years of gardening or something. I don't know. I put so much effort into it to clean it, and now that it's clean, I'm almost tempted to keep it. I'm kidding. Of course not. It's ugly and it's falling apart already. Yeah, these tools will probably help me to take this guy apart here. Couple boards on that side fell off already, so it shouldn't be too hard. Not too much resistance. Okay, let's see how it goes. I'll probably use the hammer first. Okay. Wah! Nice. It was a surprise. Oh, there we go. So maybe I didn't need that big of a hammer here. A smaller one would do as well. I think it's only a question of a year or more. Would fall apart anyways. Oh, wow. I have to watch out and not hurt myself with this big hammer here, because I'm basically swinging without any resistance here. Okay, yeah, that's basically it. Now I need to load it up quickly and go to the other one. Yeah, this stuff will go on the burn pile. From the outside it doesn't look too bad, but the inside is pretty rotten. All right, the frame is taken apart, and yeah, it was easier than I thought. Now I'll use the tractor and smooth out the dirt here, and that will make it easier when I start tilling. Okay, and now the same procedure as with the bed before, and quickly take it apart and clean everything up, smooth it out, and shortly we will be tilling here. Okay, let's get to it. This is as smooth as it gets when a professional like me runs the tractor. I mean, after the tilling process it won't be visible anyways, but yeah. Before we take out the tiller, I would like to show you something with the chicks. Yesterday I brought our KFC chicken tractor into position, and now I will bring out the first batch of chicks to this chicken tractor so that they can be outside. It's exciting. I think they will love it, and I will take you along, and hopefully you like it as well. All right, here we are at our KFC chicken tractor. I built this thing out of trampoline frame last year. So used basically chicken wire and some other mesh and some old tin and a tarp on top. So, and have a door here. So the idea is to be able to just pull it forward and give the chickens each day a new little spot. So here we are at our future potato plot. We are planning to plant some potatoes here next year, so the chickens can be a little bit of a help to clean up this area, and then I will go after them and till it. Okay, let's put them in and see how they like it. It's their first time out under the blue sky. I mean, yeah, it's gray sky today, but yeah, I will bring them in here. Their food, they know this container already, so go and explore. No, stay on that side. Usually I like to do that type of transitions during night, but it's hard to take a video during the night, so we figured, okay, let's do it here in the middle of the day. They're pretty big already. So far we didn't lose not one single bird. That's good. So that means our procedure is all right. So they are hiding way in the back, but seems like they're pretty happy and curious, running around a little bit and picking here and there. Yeah, I'm sure they will like it. I'll check on them a bit later and bring them some water. We're back here at the garden patch. The tiller is here, and let's start tilling. Right, you guys, I'm happy that the sun was covered today. It was quite a bit of work to get this patch tilled. Took me about an hour. Yeah, there was some challenges, like there was lots of stones in there, as you can see here, and this is not even half of it. I mean, it was challenging for me and for the machine as well. So I stalled it multiple times, sometimes 2 times in a row. Yeah, but I guess it is what it is, so I have to deal with that. It gets less and less each year, I hope. Yeah. So the next step would be to let it sit for a couple days, wait for a rain or so, and then I will maybe till it another time. This time I went this direction. Next time I will probably do this one, and then let it sit for another week and cover it up after that for the rest of the season. I might put in some fertilizer before. I don't know. I'm not quite set on that. Yeah, this patch will be used for, like I said before, for fruit bushes, like all kinds of berries and stuff. And we might also have a patch of pumpkins here or stuff like that. Yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you for coming along and joining me today as I was preparing yeah, the garden here for next year already. I'm a little bit ahead. If you like content like this and would love to see us here on the farm, how we develop different things, then like and subscribe, and I would love to see you next time. God bless.